When it comes to checking the submissions of any payment form, sometimes you need to view the details of a particular payment submission and change the payment status from paid to refunded. WP Payform comes up with an opportunity to have this on your payment forms. To get this awesome feature, you need to go to the respective payment form you want to see the detailed transaction of. Click on the entries after hovering over a form. It will take you to the entries page recorded by this form. Keep in mind, there is another entry section on the left sidebar, but that is for the whole entry records of the plugins. We will not discuss much about it right now. There is another video on this topic. You'll find a link to that in the description. Once you are in the entries page of the respective payment form, click on the view icon located on the right side. Then it will take you to the single submission page where you can see the detailed information regarding a particular payment submission. Here is the payment status of this entry. If needed, you can change the payment status by clicking the Action button. Click on it and a pop-up will appear with some status options. Moreover, using the Previous and Next buttons on the top right corner, you can switch through the form entries staying on the same page without wasting your time. You can also add a special note if needed by clicking on the Add Note button under the Submission Activity Events section. There is an option to print this entry in hard copy. You can also export the entry to JSON if needed. One more interesting thing, you can choose which fields you want to print or want to export from here. Cool, right? So, download WP Payform now! For more plugin updates and awesome tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.